Okay, you gotta see this. A squishy dumpling. So cute and lovely. Oh, this is my squishy dumpling. How did I got that? So, explainers. My sister when we gave it to me. Yeah. And I gotta cut this little thing. This is the cutest thing I ever saw. This is my new toy. Okay. When I need to add this, yeah. When I need to add this, my first ever squishy dumpling, and my twin sister also got it too. And my twin sister always get it. Like, come on, guys, now bye. See you later. Okay, I gotta post in a few days about more gaming, but I gotta still make toys videos. Okay, bye. My squishy dumpling, so cute now. Bye.